Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. As we look toward the future of AI, artificial intelligence, and robotics, it's clear that the demand for energy is going to rise dramatically by 2050. AI will become integral to industries, transforming everything from manufacturing to healthcare, while robotics will take over many tasks, operating in factories, logistics systems, homes, and more. These technologies will require vast amounts of energy, leading to a significant strain on the global energy infrastructure unless clean, scalable energy solutions are found. This is where hydrogen enters the picture as a game-changing energy source. In a world where AI is ubiquitous, from smart factories running neural networks to autonomous vehicles ferrying goods and people across cities, the need for continuous, reliable power will be immense. AI systems, particularly deep learning algorithms, demand vast computational resources, which means that data centers will multiply and expand in size. These centers will require even more energy than today's already massive facilities, generating a level of power demand that traditional fossil fuel sources, and even renewable energy alone, might struggle to meet. Hydrogen, especially green hydrogen produced using renewable energy like wind or solar, presents a scalable and sustainable alternative to power the AI and robotics revolution. By 2050, hydrogen is expected to play a critical role in both powering AI systems and decarbonizing the overall energy grid. Hydrogen can be stored and used when needed, providing a consistent energy source for energy-hungry systems. For instance, hydrogen fuel cells will provide backup power for AI systems and data centers, offering an efficient and clean alternative to diesel generators or large battery banks. This is particularly important for mission-critical AI applications, such as smart grids, autonomous transport systems, and robotic infrastructure, where uninterrupted power supply is essential. Hydrogen offers a reliable way to store excess renewable energy and release it as needed, which is particularly useful in mitigating the intermittency of renewable sources like wind and solar. The transportation sector will also see massive changes due to AI and robotics by 2050. Autonomous vehicles, powered by AI, will dominate both personal and commercial transport. These self-driving cars, trucks, and delivery drones will rely on hydrogen for their energy, given that hydrogen fuel cells provide a longer range and faster refueling times compared to electric batteries. Already, companies like Toyota and Hyundai are making strides in hydrogen-powered vehicles, and by 2050, fleets of hydrogen-powered autonomous trucks will be an essential part of logistics networks worldwide. Similarly, in agriculture, hydrogen-powered drones and robotic farming systems will transform the way food is produced. Hydrogen will provide the energy needed to operate autonomous farming robots, which will handle everything from planting and monitoring crops to harvesting, all while minimizing environmental impact. Hydrogen's role in robotic agriculture will enable sustainable farming practices, helping to feed a growing global population while reducing the carbon footprint of agricultural activities. Hydrogen could also power desalination plants, providing clean water for irrigation in arid regions, creating a closed-loop energy system where hydrogen supports all aspects of the agricultural process. Manufacturing will similarly be transformed by AI, robotics, and hydrogen. Smart factories, which integrate AI to manage production lines autonomously, will need vast amounts of energy to power industrial robots and equipment. Hydrogen, with its versatility, will decarbonize high-temperature industrial processes that are traditionally powered by fossil fuels, such as steel and cement production. Hydrogen's ability to provide clean energy for these hard-to-abate sectors will ensure that manufacturing can continue to scale while reducing emissions. This is crucial in the global effort to limit climate change and meet international targets for carbon neutrality. Hydrogen will also be vital in addressing the energy storage challenge. AI-driven systems and robots require constant, reliable energy, but renewable sources like solar and wind are intermittent by nature. Hydrogen offers a way to store excess energy produced by these renewable sources. Through electrolysis, excess electricity generated during periods of high renewable energy production can be used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. This hydrogen can then be stored and converted back into electricity using fuel cells when energy demand is high or when renewables aren't generating power. This process will help ensure that AI systems and robotic infrastructures have access to a continuous energy supply, even when renewable generation is low. Looking at remote locations, off-grid AI operations such as autonomous mining robots in isolated areas, or AI-powered weather stations monitoring climate patterns will rely on hydrogen fuel cells for their energy needs. Hydrogen is ideal for providing clean, long-lasting power to these locations, where traditional grid access or constant battery replacement would be impractical. In fact, hydrogen could become the go-to power source for off-grid AI systems, ensuring that even the most remote and autonomous applications can function without disruption. Governments and the private sector will play a critical role in scaling up hydrogen infrastructure to meet the demands of 2050. Many nations are already investing in hydrogen technologies, seeing them as key to meeting net zero emission targets. For instance, Japan has outlined a vision for a hydrogen society, and Germany has committed billions to hydrogen projects as part of its energy transition strategy. Companies like Plug Power and Air Liquide are actively working to build a global hydrogen economy, including creating hydrogen hubs that will support sectors ranging from transportation to heavy industry. By 2050, it's likely that hydrogen infrastructure, such as fueling stations, hydrogen pipelines, and storage facilities will be ubiquitous, providing the energy backbone needed for a fully automated, AI-driven world. In this future world of 2050, where AI, robotics, and automation have reached their full potential, hydrogen will play a key role in powering the next generation of smart systems. It will provide clean, reliable, and scalable energy, enabling the continued growth of AI and robotics without the associated carbon emissions of traditional energy sources. From autonomous vehicles to robotic agriculture and AI-powered factories, hydrogen will be the energy source that makes this future possible, all while helping to create a more sustainable planet. Thank you for watching. If you found this exploration of hydrogen's future role in AI and robotics insightful, make sure to subscribe to ReneEnergy.com for more updates on clean energy innovations and breakthroughs. Together, we can build a future powered by sustainability and technological progress. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.